Binary star systems where two suns orbit each other are more common than you might think. And that raises a fascinating question. What happens when these two suns align in space? There's a common misconception that when two suns in a binary system align, they're destined to collide in a catastrophic cosmic crash. It's easy to see why people might think that. After all, if two massive balls of hot glowing gas are hurtling through space, it's natural to assume they might smash into each other eventually. Let's take a closer look. This idea of a cosmic collision is definitely dramatic. Can you imagine the energy released if two stars, each with the power of a nuclear bomb, were to smash together? The truth is, the vast majority of binary star systems are not on a collision course. And even when they do align, the chances of a collision are incredibly low. So why don't these two suns just smash into each other? The answer lies in the sheer scale of the distances involved. Even in the closest of binary systems, the stars are still separated by millions of miles. That's a lot of space to cover before they can even think about colliding. When we talk about the physics of stars, we're dealing with truly astronomical numbers. Take the distance between the Earth and the Sun, about 93 million miles, and multiply that by tens, even hundreds. That's the kind of scale we're talking about in a binary star system. And then there's gravity, the force that keeps the stars orbiting each other in the first place. Gravity is what keeps them in check, preventing them from spiraling out of control and into each other's paths. It's a delicate dance, with each star influencing the other's motion in subtle but crucial ways. But even with all these forces at play, collisions are still extremely unlikely. Take, for example, the famous binary system of Albareo. This stunning pair of stars, located in the constellation Cygnus, is a favorite among amateur astronomers. When they align, it's a breathtaking sight. Two bright, glowing orbs hanging in the sky like diamonds. But despite their proximity, these stars are never going to collide. They're just too far apart, and their gravitational bond is too strong. Another fascinating example is the binary system of Sirius and its white dwarf companion. This tiny, extremely hot star is so close to Sirius that it's actually orbiting within the outer atmosphere of its bigger brother. Yet, even in this incredibly close dance, the two stars are never going to smash into each other. These are just a couple of examples of the many, many binary star systems out there, each with its own unique characteristics and behaviors. It's all about the sheer scale of the distances involved, combined with the complex interplay of gravitational forces. These stars are not on a collision course, they're just enjoying their own cosmic dance.